Hey guys, I'm back. Oh god, finally. Yeah, I haven't been posting for a while, but anyway, forget that. Welcome to a $1,500 PC build. I'm PixelMonkey, and let's get to it. For the case, I went with a half 922 by Cooler Master. It supports up to 3 200mm fans, and it comes with the top and front 200mm fans included. It has plenty of room for cable management behind the motherboard tray. It comes with 2 USB 3.0 ports on the front panel, and those ports are backwards compatible with USB 2.0. It supports ADX and micro ADX motherboards. For the hard drive, I chose a Seagate Barracuda with 3 terabytes of memory. It is SATA 6 and 7,200 RPMs with 64 megabytes of cache. It can hold about 370 hours of HD video space. For the motherboard, I went with the Asus Sabertooth 990 FX. It is an AM3 Plus socket motherboard with 4 DDR3, 1866 or 1600 RAM slots. It has quad SLI and Crossfire X support and a lot of other great features. For the power supply, I went with the Corsair GS800W. It is an 800 watt power supply and is 80 plus bronze certified. It is fairly customizable, so you can change the color of the PSU case and the LED on the fan. This comes from Corsair, and you can order it to your own specifications. It is quiet and is SLI and Crossfire ready. For the RAM, I went with 16 gigabytes of G.SKILL Ripjaws X series. It is DDR3 1866 RAM and is very good. For the CPU, I went with an AMD FX 8350 Vishera. It is clocked at 4.0 GHz and 4.2 GHz turbo. It has 8 megabytes of L3 cache and is based around the piledriver microarchitecture. It is an unlocked processor with 8 piledriver cores and runs on the AMD Turbo technology. This is a very good processor for video editors since it has 8 cores and for people who do a lot of live streams. To cool that mother-loving CPU, I chose the Corsair Hydro Series H110 water cooler. It has a 280mm radiator and it fits in most high to middle end cases. It'll fit in the half 922 pretty snugly, so luckily for you, that's a pro, I guess. It is quiet and yet very reliable. For this particular build, I managed to squeeze in an SSD, so I chose the Kingston HyperX 120GB model. It has SATA 3 and is 2.5 inches, pretty standard, and it's really fast. I mean really fast, so you should go with this. Saving the best for last, this is the GPU, a Sapphire Radeon HD 7970 with 3 gigabytes of video buffer. It has 2048 stream processors and 3 gigabytes of 384-bit GDDR5 buffer memory, It comes with AMD Boost technology and is efficient/effective Sapphire cooler. So yeah, that's it guys. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you for choosing this build if you are gonna build it. Please subscribe to me, like, comment, let me know about thoughts and ideas, like different ways to customize this to like any gamer's benefit. I'm open to any thoughts you guys have. So yeah, thanks again for watching my videos, and bye.